The rise of the Dragon China's EV revolution. China's automotive industry is undergoing a remarkable transformation. It is rapidly shifting gears towards electric vehicles, or EVs, with unparalleled ambition. The country is no longer content with being the world's factory floor. It aspires to become a global leader in the rapidly electrifying world of mobility. China's EV revolution is driven by a confluence of factors, including government support, technological innovation, and a burgeoning domestic market. China's commitment to EVs is evident in its ambitious policies and investments. The government has poured billions of dollars into subsidizing EV purchases, building charging infrastructure, and fostering domestic EV manufacturers. This top-down approach has created a fertile ground for innovation and rapid growth in the sector. Chinese consumers, facing increasing concerns about air pollution and rising fuel prices, have embraced EVs with open arms. The result is a vibrant and competitive EV market in China, teeming with both established players and ambitious startups. These companies are not just producing EVs for the local market, but are setting their sights on the global stage. With their advanced technology, competitive pricing, and growing brand recognition, Chinese EVs are poised to disrupt the global automotive landscape. The dragon is awakening, and the world is taking notice. China's transformation from an automotive follower to a potential leader in the EV revolution is a testament to its strategic planning and swift execution. The next decade will be crucial as Chinese automakers continue to innovate, expand their global footprint, and challenge the established order of the automotive industry. The race for EV dominance is heating up, and China is determined to take the lead. Closing the quality gap from made in China to engineered for the world. For years, Chinese products have been associated with affordability over quality. However, the narrative surrounding Chinese EVs is changing rapidly. Chinese EV makers are investing heavily in research and development, design and manufacturing processes to close the quality gap with their Western counterparts. They are no longer content with simply assembling cars. They are building brands synonymous with innovation and quality. Chinese EV manufacturers understand that competing on the global stage requires more than just a competitive price tag. They are focusing on improving the quality, safety, and performance of their vehicles to meet international standards and exceed customer expectations. This includes investing in high-quality materials, advanced manufacturing techniques, and rigorous quality control processes. Furthermore, Chinese EV makers are partnering with renowned international companies for components, design, and technology. This strategy allows them to leverage global expertise and integrate it into their vehicles, further enhancing their quality and sophistication. The result is a new generation of Chinese EVs that are turning heads for their sleek designs, advanced features, and impressive performance, not just their affordable prices. The perception of Chinese products is undergoing a transformation, and EVs are at the forefront of this change. As Chinese EV makers continue to prioritize quality and innovation, they are steadily eroding the long-held perception of made in China and replacing it with engineered for the world. The world is beginning to recognize that Chinese EVs are not just affordable alternatives, but serious contenders in the global automotive market. The price is right affordability as a game changer. One of the most significant advantages Chinese EV makers hold over their Western counterparts is their ability to produce vehicles at a lower cost. This price advantage is a key driver of their success in the domestic market and a potent weapon in their arsenal as they set their sights on international expansion. The affordability of Chinese EVs is making electric mobility accessible to a wider range of consumers, accelerating the global transition towards a sustainable transportation future. Several factors contribute to the lower production costs of Chinese EVs. China has a well-established and cost-effective supply chain for EV components, including batteries, motors, and electronics. The country's manufacturing prowess, combined with lower labor costs, further contributes to the affordability of Chinese EVs. Additionally, the Chinese government's supportive policies, such as subsidies and tax breaks, make owning an EV even more appealing to consumers. This price advantage gives Chinese EV makers a significant edge in emerging markets, where affordability is a crucial factor in consumer purchasing decisions. As these markets transition to electric mobility, Chinese EVs are well positioned to capture a significant market share. The affordability of Chinese EVs is not only disrupting the automotive industry, but also democratizing access to sustainable transportation solutions. The lower price point of Chinese EVs is not a sign of compromised quality. It is a testament to China's efficient manufacturing capabilities and its strategic focus on making EVs accessible to the masses. This affordability factor is reshaping the global automotive landscape and could very well be the key to unlocking mass EV adoption worldwide. Battling for a foothold: Chinese EVs versus Western incumbents. The arrival of Chinese EVs on the global stage is shaking up the established order of the automotive industry. Western automakers, long accustomed to dominating the market, now face formidable competition from these ambitious newcomers. Chinese EV makers are challenging the status quo with their advanced technology, competitive pricing, and a fresh perspective on mobility. While Western automakers have been slow to embrace the EV revolution, Chinese companies have been rapidly expanding their EV offerings and gaining valuable experience in the process. They are not just catching up, they are, in some cases, surpassing their Western counterparts in terms of technology, range, and features. This rapid progress has taken some Western automakers by surprise, forcing them to rethink their strategies and accelerate their own EV development plans. The competition between Chinese EV makers and Western incumbents is not just about market share. It is a battle for the future of mobility. Chinese companies are entering the market with fewer legacy constraints, allowing them to be more agile and innovative. They are leveraging new technologies, such as over-the-air software updates and advanced driver assistance systems, to enhance the user experience and differentiate themselves from the competition. The battle for EV dominance is heating up, and the rules of the game are changing. Chinese EV makers are proving to be formidable competitors, challenging the established order and forcing the entire industry to adapt and innovate at an unprecedented pace. The next few years will be crucial as these automakers go head-to-head, vying for the hearts and wallets of consumers worldwide.